Welcome, fellow space enthusiasts, to a mesmerizing journey beyond our Milky Way galaxy. Today, we embark on an awe-inspiring exploration of the majestic Andromeda Galaxy, a cosmic masterpiece located approximately 2.5 million light-years away. Join us as we uncover fascinating trivia, rare knowledge, and delve into the wonders of this magnificent galactic neighbor. And this is Trivia Uncovered. The Andromeda Galaxy, also known as Messier 31 or M31, is a spiral galaxy much like our own Milky Way. Its vast expanse spans over 220,000 light-years, making it one of the largest galaxies in our cosmic neighborhood. Let's embark on this breathtaking journey and explore the mysteries that await. Our voyage begins with the remarkable discovery of Andromeda by the Persian astronomer Abd al-Rahman al-Sufi in the 10th century. Little did he know that he had stumbled upon one of the most captivating cosmic entities in the universe. Today, with the help of NASA and astrological studies, we continue to unravel its secrets. The Andromeda Galaxy is a celestial marvel, holding a treasure trove of information about the formation and evolution of galaxies. Let's dive into some mind-boggling trivia about the Andromeda Galaxy. Did you know that it contains an estimated 1 trillion stars? That's more than twice the number of stars in our Milky Way. Imagine the sheer scale of this cosmic metropolis. As we venture further into the heart of Andromeda, we encounter its magnificent spiral arms, swirling with cosmic dust and gas. These arms play host to vibrant regions of stellar formation, giving birth to new stars that light up the galactic landscape. The spiral arms of Andromeda are celestial nurseries, where the interplay of gravity and gas leads to the birth of stars. Said NASA scientist. One of the most intriguing aspects of the Andromeda Galaxy is its gravitational dance with our Milky Way. Over billions of years, these galactic giants have been slowly approaching each other. In approximately 4 billion years, they are destined to collide and merge, creating a new, combined galaxy. The collision between Andromeda and the Milky Way will reshape the night sky, leading to the birth of a new galactic entity. According to NASA scientist, Andromeda is not only a galaxy of stars but also a cosmic tapestry woven with other celestial wonders, including globular clusters and nebulae. These celestial jewels adorn the galaxy, adding to its visual splendor and scientific significance. Let's uncover some rare knowledge about the Andromeda Galaxy. Fact 1. The light you see from Andromeda today actually left the galaxy 2.5 million years ago. You are witnessing Andromeda's past, a glimpse into its ancient history. Fact 2. Andromeda is hurtling toward us at a speed of about 110 kilometers per second. This cosmic motion is reshaping the tapestry of our universe, bringing galaxies ever closer. Fact 3. Andromeda is home to a supermassive black hole at its center, with a mass equivalent to approximately 140 million suns. The gravitational forces it exerts shape the galaxy's structure and influence its evolution. NASA scientists said that the Andromeda Galaxy serves as a natural laboratory for studying the fundamental processes that govern the birth, life, and death of galaxies. As we continue our journey through the cosmic wonders of Andromeda, we can't help but be humbled by the sheer grandeur of this galactic masterpiece. Its accessibility and prominence in the night sky have made it a subject of fascination and study throughout human history. Join us on this celestial journey, where every discovery unveils new questions and fuels our curiosity. Together, let's continue our exploration of the universe and uncover the wonders that lie beyond the familiar realm of our Milky Way. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing or leaving a comment. It helps a lot. Thank you and have a good day.